Number 7 here, we are looking to graph, right? Again, we still have to make a chart, okay? So the chart here is right here, chart. We just need two values. We always like to start with 0. So let's see, y is equal to 2x. We plug in the 0 for the x. Hey, look, y is also equal to 0. Let's try another point. Let's try 1. Okay. Y is equal to 2 parentheses 1, because that's what the x is, like y equals to 2x. Y equals to 2. Hey, look, that's it. 0, 0, 1, 2. Right, this makes sense because here is the slope, which is m is equal to 2. Right, so now we can connect it. Right, so here you go, and then here's the other end. And that is how we graph the line, making a chart. Okay, let's take a look. B, oh wow, look, y equals, x is equal to negative 4. So x, y, doesn't matter what we put, x is always still going to be negative 4. That's what x equals to negative 4 is. X, this is the x value, and this is where negative 4 is, right here. It's all these values right here, okay? Would be every one of these dots, right? So that's where x is equal to negative 3. So this is the equation. Just letting you know it works, but this is not a function though, okay? And then let's now look at question B. Okay, let's make our chart. X parentheses y. We always like to plug in 0 first. Y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3. We plug in a 0 for the x. 3 over 2 times 0 is just 0, so it just becomes 3. This cancels. Y equals to 3. Lucky enough, this is already in y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. This is the slope. So m is equal to 3 over 2. The delta y, which is on top, is 3. So it goes from here to here, is plus 3. The delta x, which is on bottom, is 2. That means this is going to be plus 2. So 0 plus 2, it is the number 2. 3 plus 3 is the number 5. Let's just double check, okay? Y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3. All right, let's just double check our numbers. We plug in a 2 in for the x. If you do this, this is 6 over 2, which just simplifies to just the number 3 plus 3. Y is equal to 6. I think I screwed up here. Delta y is 3. This is 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yeah. Look, you see? I proved the point. This is why you always check. 3 plus 3 is 6. You see how I checked? Y is equal to 6. You always plug it back in to double check. 0, 3. 2, 6 is right there. Now we can now connect the lines. Here you go. There you go. There you go. And that is our equation of a line. And then let's look at question D. Ooh, this is good. It's already in y equals mx plus b. Let's make our chart. X, y. Let's plug in 0 in first. Y is equal to 5 over x plus minus 4. Y is equal to 1/5. Plug in a 0 for the x, minus 4. 1/5 times 0 is just 0. Y is equal to negative 4. Negative 4. Okay? That makes sense because that's the y-intercept. Let's take a look at the slope. M is equal to 1 over 5. The delta y is 1, so this is plus 1. So negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. The bottom is your delta x, which is a 5. So this is going to be plus 5 to the number 5. Let's just double check. Like the last problem, we always want to double check to make sure it works. Okay, 1/5 times 5 minus 4. 1/5 times 5 is 5 over 5, but we can't simplify that to just the number 1. 1 minus 4, it is a negative 3. So that does work. Okay, 0, negative 4 is right here. Then we go to 5, negative 3. Okay, this makes, now we can connect it. Go, this and then this. Okay, and that would make sense because if you take a look, this is the slope, right? Up 1, right 5. Okay, so it matches with the equation. So there you go. That is how you graph lines.